Dear student, we started chapter number 12 electricity and we completed the topic electric current. Now today we are going to see electric potential and potential difference. For this topic, consider the concept of magnet. Consider magnet has north and south pole. Around the magnet there is a presence of magnetic field. Consider one point which is outside the magnetic field. This point A is outside the magnetic field and this point B is inside the magnetic field. Now consider this point as at the infinity distance. Why? Because this point or this magnet or this ion does not attracted by this bar magnet, but this point B is attracted by the magnet inside the magnetic field. Similar as the magnetic field, we consider the electric field produced by a charged particle. Consider a charged body or system of charges. Around this charge, consider electric field. Around this charge, electric field is present. One charge, consider plus Q charge, is outside this electric field. Now what happened? Consider 2 points inside the electric field, point A and point B. If you have to bring this unit positive charge from infinity to point A, then at that point A, the potential of this charge Q is VA. And if you want to bring this plus Q charge inside the electric field at point B, then the work done which is required to bring the charge from infinity to the electric field or at the given point, that is the VB. Consider as a VB. Now we will see the definition of electric potential from this one. What is the definition of electric potential? It is a work done to require bring a unit positive charge from infinity at a given point, that is called the electric potential. And what is electric potential difference? The difference of potential between these two charges is called the electric potential difference. Correct? VA has the different value and VB has the different value. Who has the more electrons, that is at the higher potential, and who has the less electrons, that is at the lower potential. Then higher potential minus lower potential, you get the potential difference. Now in last video we know that current is flow. Current is flow through the circuit. Means when charges flows, we get electric current. Now what is the cause to flow the electric current? Then that cause is the electric potential. How we produce electric potential? Using a cell or battery. Using cell or battery, we apply the electric potential. Consider a cell, dry cell. This is the positive terminal. Sorry, this one is the positive terminal and this one is the negative terminal. This point has the more electrons as compared to this point. Then current flows from higher potential to lower potential. Understood? Now definition of electric potential. It is a work done required to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point. Then what is the formula? Electric potential. Okay. Work done upon charge. Electric potential, work done upon charge. Now work done W, charge Q. Electric potential denoted by letter V. V is equal to W upon Q. Now we will see next definition, potential difference. Note down this definition, electric potential. Next topic, potential difference. Potential difference. It is a work done. It is a work done to bring a charge from one point to another point in electric field. It is also a work done. Now what is the difference, electric potential and potential difference? Suppose charge Q and this one is the electric field, and one charge we have to bring from infinity to electric field. That is the electric potential. Infinity to electric field we have to bring here. And second one, potential difference. Then in potential difference we have to bring charge inside the electric field from one point to point B. This process happens in the electric field, and the electric potential happens non-electric field to electric field. Correct? It is a work done to bring a charge from one point to another point in electric field. Now potential difference is equal to, again we write work done upon charge. V is equal to potential difference, work done, W upon Q. Now unit of potential difference. Work measured in joule and charge measured in coulomb. 1 joule per coulomb. 1 joule per coulomb is also known as 1 volt. Volt or joule per coulomb, both are the unit of the potential difference. Note down. equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Now we define 1 volt. Definition of 1 volt. When 1 joule work is done on 1 coulomb charge, then that potential difference is 1 volt. When 1 joule work is done on 1 coulomb charge, then potential difference is 1 volt. This is the definition of 1 volt. 1 joule work in on 1 coulomb charge, then that potential difference is 1 volt. Voltmeter is the instrument. Voltmeter is the instrument to measure the potential difference. Potential difference is also known as voltage. Potential difference is also known as a voltage, and to measure the voltage we have to use voltmeter. Now symbol for voltmeter is this is the symbol for voltmeter. Symbol for ammeter, in place of V we have to write the A. Note down this one. Now, next topic is circuit diagram. Now, what is the circuit diagram? A closed and continuous path of electric current is called circuit. Closed and continuous path of current is called circuit. Now, inside the circuit diagram consists of cell or battery, ammeter, voltmeter, key and conducting wire. Correct? Now we will see the diagram for the circuit diagram. Note this one. Now circuit diagram. Consider bulb, ammeter to measure the current, key, battery. Battery consists of two cells, positive, negative. Current I is flowing in the circuit from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is the diagram for the circuit diagram. Correct? Now in the circuit diagram we have to use the symbol of bulb, symbol of ammeter, symbol of key, symbol of the battery. Then there are other symbols also. Other than these symbols, we have to see one by one. For making the circuit diagram, we have to use that symbol. First symbol, cell. The larger line positive and the smaller one shows the negative. This is the cell. Battery, more than 1, 2 or 3, that is called the battery. Battery also has a two terminal, positive and negative. Third one, key. Open key. This is the open key and closed key. Here is the closed key. Fifth one is wire joint. Wire joint. Here wire is joint and wire without joining. Consider one wire and the another wire. This wire is not joined with this wire. Note down this 6 symbol. Next one is the electric bulb. This is the symbol for electric bulb in textbook. Another symbol is also given. Resistor. About resistor we will see afterwards. Variable resistor. Resistor and variable resistor. Ammeter. Last one is the voltmeter. here we completed the topic circuit diagram. In next topic we will see about the Ohm's law. Thank you.